Hello students, in Social Studies of Standard 4, we will do today lesson number 15, Coastal Plains and Islands. First we will define what is a coastal plain. A flat, low-lying land adjacent to the ocean. Adjacent means next to the ocean. That land, that plain is known as coastal plain. There are two types of coastal plains, western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. This, as you can see here in the figure, this is the southern part of the map of India. This side is the western coastal plain and this eastern coastal plain. The western coastal plains are further divided into three parts. That is Gujarat coast in the north, Konkan coast here in the middle and Malabar coast in the south. The southern point is known as Cape Comorin. The eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts, the northern Sarkars and the Coromandel coast. As you can see here, the states which are located in the western coastal plains, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. And in the eastern coastal plains, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. We will study about these states in this chapter. The key concept of the lesson is geographical distribution of the coastal plains and island. The states located in the western and eastern coastal plains. What is the life of the coastal plains and islands? We will study here in this chapter. We will begin with western coastal plains. Western coastal plains are situated on a thin strip of land and lie nested between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, as we have already seen in the map. They extend from the state of Gujarat up to the southern state of Kerala. The western coastal plains have many rivers and backwaters which are unique to this region. Now what is backwaters? Backwater means a part of a river not reached by the current where the water is stagnant. Stagnant means where the water is still, it is standing in a place, it is not moving. The western coastal plains are divided into three parts. That is Gujarat coast in the north, Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa, state of Goa. Third, Malabar coast in the south. We have already seen in the map. The states which lies here in this region are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. So these are the states which lies in the western coastal plains. First we will see the state of Gujarat. Gujarat is located in northwest India. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Sabarmati, Tapi, Narmada are the main rivers of the state. Gujarati is the main language. Then we will see clothing. Men wear dhoti, churidar, short jackets called angrakhas and turbans. Women wear sari, lehenga choli, garba and ras are well-known popular dance of Gujarat. Navratri is the main festival. Main occupation is trading and farming. Then people here grow jowar, bajra, groundnut, sugarcane, cotton and tobacco are the main crops. Textile, petroleum, salt, khadi, handloom, diamond cutting, dairy farming are the major industries of the state. Then some tourist destination places in the state of Gujarat are Gir Forest, Lothal, Dholavira, then Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram. Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara and Rajkot are the main cities of the state. Next state is Maharashtra. It is located on the Konkan coast. Konkan coast is in the middle. It is located in the Konkan coast. Its capital is Mumbai. Godavari, Krishna are the main rivers. Main language is Marathi. Here the clothing is men wear dhoti kurta, pajama kurta and Gandhian cap. Women wear 9-yard sari. Lavani and Tamasha are popular folk dance of the state. Ganesh Chaturthi is the important festival of the Maharashtra. People work mainly in trading and farming. Main occupation is trading and farming. The main crops grown here include cotton, mango, groundnut, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, grapes, orange and banana. The major industries are film industry, petroleum, diamond, finance and textile. Elephanta Caves, Gateway of India and Hanging Gardens are some popular tourist spots. Pune, Nashik, Nagpur, Aurangabad are some major cities of the state. Next state which we are going to see is Goa. It is located on the Konkan coast between Maharashtra and Karnataka. Its capital is Panaji. Zurai and Mandovi are the main rivers. English, Konkani, Portuguese and Marathi are the main languages. Men wear colorful shirts teamed up with half pants and bamboo hat. Women wear 9-yard sari, also known as Navvari, Talgadi, Gof. Tanya May, Mando are well-known dance forms of the state. Christmas and Gone Carnival. Gone means productive. Carnival are celebrated here. Farming and fishing are the main occupations of the people of the state. Crops grown here are cashew, mango, rice and coconut. Major industries include iron ore mining, electronics, chemicals, software and pharmaceuticals. St. Xavier Church, also known as Basilica of Bom Jesus, Fort, Agoda and beaches like Baga are popular tourist destinations of Goa. Mapsa, Kalangut, Old Goa, Margao are the main cities of the state.